Welcome friends, today I'm going to show you how to attach pendant with the cotton thread dori. You can see here I have a dori, cotton thread dori, and I will teach you in this video how to connect this thing with the pendant. And this pendant is not any metal pendant. This pendant is made from the terracotta clay, which you can see terracotta videos in my channel. You can subscribe that and you can watch my videos from scratch, how to make beads, how to make pendant, basic pendant, how to paint, how to bake and all that. So for attaching this dori with the pendant we need jump rings. I'm using here silver color because my pendant is in the silver color, and a small plier to bend the jump rings and all. So let's get started. Here I'm taking 2 jump rings, and which we have to open first because this is close. Just to we can't open with our hands, so I'm using a plier to just open this wide enough, because we need to put one portion inside our loop which we have already leave in our pendant, and now another in this hole. You can see here we need to put here inside, and then we have to just close. This is so simple. You can see we have already attached one and another one. Similarly we have to open first, and we need to put one edge inside, and then inside the dori, and once both are inside we have to just close. And you can see our dori is finally attached with our pendant, and it's looking so pretty. And our set is ready like this. And I'll show you one more how to attach. One more set I have ready, terracotta one, and I have made a loop here with the gear wire, you can see here. And now I'm using a adjustable dori. This dori already have that fish hooks which we can just put inside this loops, and just we can close it. This fish hooks for locking this, and this is how we can adjust the dori, and we can make a pretty necklace like this. So you can see now here we have shown you how to attach 2 kinds of dori with the necklace. I hope you like our video. If you like, please do press the thumbs up button and do subscribe our channel to get more videos for making jewelry and another craft video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.